In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Amazon Prime Video not loading. If your screen is stuck on a spinner, turns black, or the app just won't open, the issue usually comes down to your internet, a buggy app, or a device hiccup. I'll walk you through the exact fixes that solve these problems quickly and safely. Start by giving everything a fresh start. Fully close the Prime Video app, not just minimizing it. Restart your device and reboot your Wi-Fi router. Give the router a full minute to come back online, then open Prime Video again. This simple reset clears temporary errors, refreshes network connections, and fixes most loading glitches. Next, check your internet connection because Prime Video can open fine while the video itself refuses to load if your connection is weak. As a guide, you'll want roughly 1 to 3 megabits per second for standard definition, about 5 for HD, and around 25 for 4K. If things feel sluggish, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or move closer to the router to improve signal strength. If it's still not loading, clear the app cache and data. A corrupted cache is a top cause of endless spinners. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Prime Video, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If you're on a browser, clear cookies and cache. On a smart TV, restart the TV or reinstall the app. This removes broken temporary files that can trap the app in a loop. Make sure the app itself is up to date. Open your App Store and install any available Prime Video updates. If nothing changes, uninstall and reinstall the app to replace any damaged components and reset its connection to the servers. Sign out of Prime Video and sign back in. This refreshes your account session and often clears authentication or syncing errors that block loading. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Prime Video may prevent playback if it detects a location mismatch. Watching in a browser? Try a different one like Chrome or Firefox. Update the browser, disable extensions, and ensure your DRM module, commonly called Widevine, is up to date. Browser conflicts can silently stop videos from starting. Also check your device. Install the latest software updates for your TV, phone, or computer. Restart your streaming device. And, if possible, try Prime Video on another device to see if the problem is device-specific. Finally, the service itself may be down. If everything looks good on your side, wait and try again later. One more real-world tip. Signing out of all Amazon apps on your device has instantly fixed loading for many users when accounts get stuck syncing across devices.